Hey everyone, it's the first time in a while I've done a ceiling fan videos. So after a brief hiatus, I'm going to do a video of my white and polished brass Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. And it was manufactured October 24th, 1991, and believe it or not, it was my birthday. Well, actually my 9th birthday, if you can believe that. I was in 3rd grade at the time. It was on a Thursday. Not that it matters, but this ceiling fan is extra special to me because of that. And like myself, it was made in this country. And I have it on a Casablanca low ceiling adapter in polished brass. There's the sideband. There's the faceplate and the vents. It's got nice glossy blades and the snow white finish. And the light kit was something that I added. Did not come with the fan. And I got it at Goodwill of all places. My local Goodwill. It was a Casablanca light for 10 bucks and I just snagged that. And the bulbs that came with it are the originals. And I will, let's see, shed a little light on the situation. It's got Casablanca poles on both sides. So that was just rare as heck, getting a Casablanca part, some form of Goodwill. And I really don't find these a habitat too often. And I do have another couple others like this. And this is one, well, this one initially came with a K4S fitter, which I put on one of my Spirit of Saturns, or Spirits of Saturn, whatever you want to call it in plural. But I didn't even need the switch plate for it. I could just integrate, screwing the light kit to the, it was a little tricky, but I could do it. I mean, I left this fan for a long time, so that's why I decided to use it. I mean, it gives the fan a very elegant, sophisticated look. You know, as simple as a Lady Delta may be, but I love it. And with that being said, let's rev it up. It naturally starts out on low. So here it goes on low. It's got a nice aesthetic low to it. I guess this is like borderline restaurant speed. Here it is. Medium. It's on medium. It's really starting to crank out air. Even on a low ceiling adapter, I'm really starting to feel a breeze here, kind of like what I feel on most direct drive spinner motor fans that are made today on their high speed. And speaking of which, let's put this one on high, shall we? Wow. It's like a tornado in here. And I think we will power it down. I mean, it's in immaculate condition too. I really don't think it's been used that much, but I have 2 others in this finish. And one I got off Craigslist in 2013. It came with a spotlight kit, but I decided to take it off and put it. I don't think I have it on any fan right now, but It's got a good spin down time too. Don't think the fan was really used that much. Okay, the fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.